Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the power supply in your ThinkPad tower. Before we dive in, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components from static electricity. First, ensure your ThinkPad is powered off and unplugged from the wall. Disconnect all peripherals, including the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Now, place your tower on a stable surface, ideally on a non-static mat. Begin by removing the side panel. Look for the screws at the back of the tower. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove them carefully. Once the screws are out, gently slide the panel off and set it aside. Next, locate the power supply unit, which is usually located at the top or back of the case. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust buildup. Use compressed air to clean out any debris, as this can help with airflow and prevent overheating. Remember, if you're unsure about doing this yourself, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's focus on disconnecting the old power supply. Start by unplugging all the cables connected to the motherboard and other components. Make a note of where each cable connects, or take a picture for reference. If you don't feel comfortable handling these connections, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. It's a hassle-free option that allows you to avoid calls and travel. After disconnecting the cables, locate the screws securing the power supply to the case. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Gently pull the power supply out of the case and set it aside. Now, it's time to install the new power supply. Slide it into the same spot as the old one and secure it with the screws you just removed. Be sure to connect the new cables to the motherboard and other components just as they were originally plugged in. If you need a quote before repair, feel free to reach out to us for assistance. Once everything is connected, double-check all your connections to ensure they are snug. Then, replace the side panel of your tower, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, plug your ThinkPad back into the wall and reconnect all peripherals. Power it on to make sure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for further assistance. Our service provides convenience and expertise, ensuring you get the help you need without any unnecessary hassle. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the power supply in your ThinkPad tower. Thanks for following along, and remember to subscribe for more technical tutorials like this one. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.